Imagine this. What if you could heal from a wound in seconds or grow stronger, faster, and even taller just by absorbing energy from the sun? Sounds like something straight out of a Marvel movie, right? But what if I told you this could be real? That the same science-powering plants and the universe itself might one day give us superhuman abilities? Today, we're diving into the mind-bending world of quantum biology, string theory, and the future of human regeneration. And don't worry, we'll break it all down so it's easy to understand. By the end of this, you'll never look at your body or the universe the same way again. Joining me today is Dr. Nova Reyes, a quantum biologist and one of the leading minds exploring how the tiniest particles in the universe could revolutionize human biology. Nova, let's start with something simple. How does a plant, just using sunlight, water, and air, grow into something so massive, and why can't we do that?
Great question. So plants are basically nature's solar panels. They take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and through this incredible process called photosynthesis, they convert that light energy into chemical energy, glucose. That glucose fuels their growth from tiny seeds to towering trees. But here's the kicker: plants are using quantum mechanics to do this. At the molecular level, electrons in their cells are quantum coherent, meaning they can explore multiple energy pathways at once. It's like they're hacking the system to maximize efficiency.
Wait, so plants are using quantum physics? That's wild. But if plants can do it, why can't we? I mean, we've got mitochondria, our own little power plant. So what's stopping us from tapping into sunlight like a plant?
Exactly. And that's where things get really exciting. Our mitochondria are amazing. They take glucose from food and turn it into ATP, the energy currency of our cells. But what if we could give our cells the ability to absorb energy directly from light, like plants? That's the idea behind quantum biohacking, using quantum principles to rewire our biology.
Okay, so let's talk about string theory. I've heard it's this super complex idea that everything in the universe is made of tiny vibrating strings. How does that connect to human biology?
String theory is mind-blowing. It suggests that at the most fundamental level, everything, electrons, quarks, even the forces of nature, are made of these tiny vibrating strings. The way they vibrate determines their properties: mass, charge, spin. Now imagine if we could tune those vibrations. We could, in theory, change how particles behave. And if we can do that, we could change how our cells behave, how they grow, heal, and even how they process energy.
So you're saying we could play our cells like a guitar? Tune them to vibrate at frequencies that make us heal faster or grow stronger?
Exactly. And this isn't just sci-fi. We're already seeing hints of this in quantum biology. For example, enzymes in our cells use something called quantum tunneling to speed up chemical reactions. It's like they're teleporting through energy barriers. If we can harness that, we could supercharge our biology.
Okay, this is where it gets really futuristic. You've been working on something called the Quantum Energy Harvester Implant, or QEHI. What is it and how could it change our lives?
The QEHI is a biohybrid device that combines graphene quantum dots, protein nanowires, and quantum entanglement nodes. It's designed to absorb energy from light, heat, and even cosmic radiation, and feed it directly into our cells. Imagine having a tiny solar panel under your skin powering your body 24/7. You could run a marathon without getting tired, heal from injuries in seconds, or even grow stronger and taller by redirecting that energy.
Wait, so you're saying this implant could let us grow taller, like on demand?
Potentially, yes. By controlling how energy is distributed and how cells divide, we could scale up tissues and organs in a controlled way. It's like giving your body a growth mode switch.
This sounds incredible, but let's bring it down to earth. What are some practical applications of this tech? How could it help people today?
For starters, it could revolutionize medicine. Imagine someone with a severe injury. Instead of months of recovery, they could heal in days or even hours. For astronauts, it could be a game changer. They could survive in deep space by harvesting cosmic radiation, reducing the need for food and oxygen. And for everyday people, it could mean endless energy. No more fatigue, no more needing to eat every few hours.
That's insane, but how close are we to making this a reality?
We're closer than you might think. We've already developed graphene quantum dots that can harvest light energy, and we're testing biohybrid interfaces in lab-grown tissues. Within the next decade, we could see the first human trials.
So let's wrap this up. If we can harness the power of quantum biology and string theory, we're not just talking about superpowers. We're talking about redefining what it means to be human. From healing faster to thriving in space, the possibilities are endless. But here's my question for you. If you could have one superpower from this tech, what would it be? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, this isn't just science fiction. It's the future we're building right now. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be the one glowing with quantum energy.
Thanks for joining us, Nova, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of human potential, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.